Hi guys, it is Sindhu here. Today we're going to see a problem which states that to check if the all characters in a string are unique or not. So unique in the sense there should not be a repeated letters in that. So in this process, as usual, but from starting we have to take the input from the user, like so s is equal to input of, let's say, enter a string. So now the second step is really important step in this problem. Like first we have to check the length of the given input. Okay, so let's say if statement, if len of yes is equal to len of set of yes. So what this states, okay, let's say len of yes, if the given is, let's say the given input is hello. So in len of yes, it will print as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So length of the given input is 5. And in this statement, len of set of yes, the L which is repeated 2 times will be removed. So it will be like HELO, which is 4 times. So 5 is not equal to 4, right? So this function will be like it's not a unique function. Let's say another, if the given input is world, the length of the word will be 5 and also the length of set of yes will be also 5. So if the condition is true, we have to print that characters are unique. Else means if the character, if the given input is not unique, we have to print as are not unique. So yeah, that's it. Let's run the code. Let's say hello. See, characters are not unique because L is L is remitted 2 times, right? So it is not a unique function because set function we have implemented in this. So set will remove one of the letter L from here. So let's say world. See, characters are unique because there is no repeated letters in this. Yeah, from this we have learned the len function and also how to use set function in a problem. Thank you so much.